All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven Aldacco. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are here on top of the Middle Teton, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make it up. It's a super incredible view, as you can see, and it's just an awesome hike. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get hiking, y'all. All right, it's 6:30 in the morning, and we're hiking the Tetons in Wyoming. I was supposed to get up earlier, but I didn't. We should be fine. I'm pretty fast. See you at the top. Here's the first sign. Garnet Canyon Junction. That's where we're going, and that's this way. So here's our next junction. And then we want to take Garnet Canyon, which is that way. Onward. I heard some large rustling in the trees or in the bushes up there. It's not a bear. So here we are, coming up to the lower saddle. Oh my God, you guys see that? Unreal. It's like a scramble. Might put the camera away for now. Climbing now. I look behind me and like, that's just so incredible. The view behind. Oh, unreal. We're almost to the saddle, just right up there. Let's keep pushing. I'm so dumb. I went the wrong way. I started to just go up, right? I just, why not? But as you can see down there, that's the trail. And that's where you want to go up. But now I have to traverse all this. Whew. So we're back on the trail. You'll see that little snow patch. And it looks like someone kind of went through it recently, but if you don't have an ice axe or anything, just cut in front of it and then head up to the left that way. If you want to camp midway, this is the spot. Keep losing the trail. It's like back and forth, forward and back. And it comes and goes, but we're still heading up. That's the direction we want to go. And just look, incredible. So real close to the summit. Cliff Bar, I'm still waiting for that sponsorship. I like this one because it has a little tiny bit of caffeine, which would be a nice little push since I didn't have coffee this morning. It's beautiful out here. It's peaceful. It's quiet. So we're on a little snowy bit here, alongside incredible mountaintop. I'm feeling so good, you guys. I'm feeling top of the world. Cloud 9. This is it. Right here. Sorry if this video is crooked, but I want to show you guys what we're dealing with here. Got all these rocks. Very rocky terrain. Of course, when I turn the camera on, it gets less sketchy. But yeah, that trail down there looks better than where I'm at right now. When you're up here, it's kind of like choose your own adventure, you know? There's a couple markers for paths to follow. You can do whatever you want. I'm just trying to make it up safe and sound. That's my goal today. Make it up and make it down without being dead or helicoptered out. Did it, baby. Woo! We made it, guys. Incredible. Yeah. Woo! That took 5 hours and 20 minutes, plus our little detour. 6,100 feet of elevation. That's an incredible time. I don't know if you guys can see the color of that lake, but it's just unreal. So we're on the down climb now, and there's a ton of loose boulders and rocks, and you can slip and fall at any moment. And also kind of scary is if these rocks fall, boom, you hit someone in the head, and they're dead, and nobody wants that on their conscience. I feel like today was just something special, this was an achievement, this was incredible. I think it's a culmination of all of the skills I've learned. Last time I was at high elevation, it really killed me, so I made sure to stay at a high elevation so I can acclimate, and now I'm just feeling fantastic. And not only that, but all the trail running I do, all the hiking I've been doing, I think it's just kind of all come together in this one like spiritual moment. I mean, I feel so good and so alive and so connected. This is truly an incredible experience, and I hope you get to feel this sensation that I'm feeling now when you come and summit this mountain. It's unreal. 100% transparency here. This is an absolute cluster. It's just terrible. There's no real trail, and you're just kind of like picking your path and trying to find your way down. It's rough. I mean, it's beautiful, but man, it is tough. Fuck it. I kept falling, so full send on the butt. So I think there's like 4 miles left. And I've just been running the whole way down. I just want to get off this rock. Also, you never know what you're made of until you test it, right? We're getting after it today, boys and girls, and everyone else. We did it. My watch just died, but I think it said 9 hours and some odd minutes. Man, I got turned around and that really set me back like an hour or so, but we did it. That was the Middle Teton. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And yeah, if you like that kind of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And then we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. That's where we're at today. Amazing.
Five, six, seven, eight.
Alright everybody, well thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it like informative and fun. And I want to take this moment here and give you a few pro tips or things I learned on this trail, things I would have done differently, some things that'll be helpful when you attempt your summit. I would have definitely brought a helmet. As I was climbing up, I didn't capture it on the video, but I would step and then huge giant boulders would just kind of slide down the mountain, and it was really sketchy. And if you had parties above you and a rock fell, like it could have been really bad. So I would have definitely brought a helmet. I would have brought less water. I have that little filter which will purify the water. You probably don't need it, but it's probably a good idea just in case. But I would have brought less water on the way up, so I could have been super lightweight. And about midway through, there are plenty of spaces to fill up waters, lots of streams and things like that. So I wouldn't worry about that unless you're going in the winter time, at which point it would be kind of frozen over. So I would have brought less water on the way up. On the note of water, I drink a ton of water. I started my day with about 2 liters of water, and then I brought 2 more liters to make it all the way up. And then I stopped and probably drank another 3 liters. So I was fully hydrated throughout this whole hike. This is bear territory, so you can see that little orange thing I'm carrying. That's bear spray. I mean, it's better than nothing, and it really helped me psychologically, but I would have preferred to have hiked with a couple of friends because bears are less likely to mess with you if you're with a group of people. But this is bear country, so be mindful of that. Definitely come with bear spray if you're going alone. I feel like trekking poles might have been very helpful, especially on some of those loose rock sections. And towards the end, my knee was feeling a little bit wonky, and I think the trekking poles would have really helped with that. So those are some of the things I would have done a little bit differently or brought along with me on this trek. But it was kind of a spur of the moment decision, and I'm super happy I did it. I don't regret it at all, but these are some precautions you might want to take when you're summiting the Middle Teton. All right, everyone, well, thank you again. I hope you found this helpful and informative, and enjoy your summit. Until next time, take care. See ya.